Good morning, this is Shannon Merrick speaking. This is just a quick video. We've been reliably informed from a very reliable source within the Patriotic Alliance that the Patriotic Alliance and those bodyguards of them, with the ward councillor, with Kenny Kunene, and some other leaders of Patriotic Alliance, will be coming to my property today. The first thing, to come to any person's property uninvited, trespassing is a criminal offense. That's the first thing. But the second thing here is, um, I don't understand this country. This is a banana republic. And I said it before. It's not the first time that these people will be doing what they're doing, and they'll get away with it. The city of Joburg, we reported these people, they didn't do anything. We reported the ward councillor for what she's doing, going to people's houses and so on. They didn't do anything. Now, these people, now they are used to doing these things. So, all I'm pleading to Kasi people and the public, in the event that anything happens to me or my family, please arrest Gayton McKenzie, Kenny Kunene, Vicky Fly. Those are
Good day to everyone. In this video, we just want to ask one straight, simple question. Is Patriotic Alliance leaders having any particular scandal or information that can tarnish the ANC, which will make ANC to fall into any demand that they want, allegedly? Please like, subscribe, and comment. Fellow South Africans, as you have heard the gentleman from Kasi broadcast, and there have been several allegations of the same kind. Are we really, as South Africans, running short of leaders? Are we not able to choose ourselves to say, I can be a leader, until we'll have to resort to the people that for quite some times are being alleged to have been into a foul play? Why was it that it had to take a Gayton McKenzie to threaten the African National Congress with possible action, which can even include working with DA if their demands are not met, which led to Kenny Kunene being brought back to his position after the investigations that were done by PA itself, of which it was obvious that it had to be biased for obvious reasons. Now, the very same PA, which is promoting the Amahambe notion, have been found to have given the project of fixing the Bree Street given to the Nigerians, the project of about 195 million rands. The very same foreigners which they tell everybody must get rid of. Are they just bluffing all of us to turn a blind eye, and they still continue working together with the very same people? Do they have any partnership, allegedly, or relationship business-wise with the specific people? Can we comfortably point them to our children to say, these are the leaders that we as parents have put our hope on, when we, the parents, could not be able to give any necessary leadership by ourselves, until we'll have to wait for them? We have to wait for Mapantiti to come around to build a future for you, our children. Can we be brave to say so? Thanks for watching the video.